Hello, folks. Well, with billions of users actively engaging with content daily, YouTube presents unparalleled prospects for you to not just express yourself, but also generate significant earnings. Nonetheless, mastering YouTube monetization demands careful planning, consistent dedication, and a thorough grasp of audience engagement and revenue generation tactics. This guide offers practical insights and proven strategies to swiftly monetize your YouTube presence, ranging from crafting compelling content to maximizing revenue streams. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or new to the scene, this resource provides valuable guidance for achieving financial success on YouTube. Follow these 6 tactics for optimal results. Number 1, create quality content. Focus on producing content that is unique, valuable, and engaging. Find a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience preferences. Invest time in planning, scripting, filming, and editing your videos to ensure they meet high standards of quality. Experiment with different formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates best with your viewers. Number 2, grow your audience. Building a substantial audience is crucial for generating revenue on YouTube. Promote your videos across various platforms, including social media, forums, and relevant communities. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audiences and gain exposure. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to improve visibility and attract more viewers. Consistently engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging them to subscribe and share your content. Number 3, join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Once you meet the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, apply to monetize your videos through ads. Keep in mind that YPP approval is not automatic, so ensure your content complies with YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser-friendly content policies. Number 4, utilize multiple income streams. While ad revenue is a primary source of income for many YouTubers, diversifying your revenue streams can provide additional income and financial stability. Explore other monetization options, such as channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks and content, merchandise sales through platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop, sponsored content deals with brands, affiliate marketing by promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, and crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon, where fans can support you directly. Number 5, engage with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is essential for fostering loyalty, increasing engagement, and driving growth. Respond to comments, questions, and messages from your viewers to show appreciation and build rapport. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, and community polls to interact with your audience in real time and make them feel valued. Encourage viewers to participate in discussions, share their thoughts, and contribute ideas for future content. Engaging with your audience not only strengthens your community, but also increases watch time, which can boost your video's performance and revenue potential. Number 6, stay consistent and patient. Building a successful YouTube channel is a long-term endeavor that requires dedication, perseverance, and patience. Establish a regular uploading schedule to keep your audience engaged and maintain momentum. Experiment with different strategies, analyze your performance metrics, and adapt your approach based on what works best for your channel. Stay informed about changes to YouTube's policies, algorithms, and best practices to stay ahead of the curve. Remember that success on YouTube takes time, so stay committed to your goals and continue to improve and evolve as a creator. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos related to YouTube monetization, please subscribe this channel.